Hi guys, here we are working with Freddie Hubbard playing over Cantaloupe Island on Herbie Hancock's Empyrean Isles album. What I'd like to do in today's work together is to take a very simple idea and manipulate the location of the idea, both in time and in pitch. Let's use that sudden ferocity in the middle of his first chorus where he goes over the D minor chord. And let's take that idea and make sure we can play it all over the place in terms of pitch. Here it is in context. 2, 3, 4. Right, it comes just as we transition into D minor from D flat 7. What we'd like to be able to do is to take this idea and recognize that it first lives on beat 1 and be able to play it in diatonic transpositions, very thorough diatonic transpositions, right? So it exists on D minor. This is one of those, yet another instances in which the fact that having very limited technical facility on the instrument doesn't matter because the richness of the idea carries it, in my opinion. And it's not a big deal technically, whether you're playing piano, trombone, double bass, what have you. I think this is a fairly simple and obtainable idea for a lot of young improvisers, as long as you have some technique on your instrument, but even just minimal. So being able to transpose this idea all over means recognizing that it is simply starting somewhere in the scale and going up a fourth. And sometimes that fourth is going to be augmented, that's all right. Right? Whatever the chord may be. In this case, this is just choosing notes of D flat mixolydian, being able to move it around. And then, of course, the first chord of the tune, right? This F minor. A lot of us are playing F Dorian over that. The original iteration of pitch actually still works. Slightly more consonant ideas can be found with other pitches. So we're going to use this idea, and I'll demonstrate. We'll start at the top of the intro. There's a 4-bar intro, and then it's a 16-bar repeating form over and over. It's F minor for 4 bars, that's the intro, and then F minor at the top of the form. See what I mean?
4.
2, 3, 4. Second bar of the intro. The actual untransposed idea works. D, G, G, right? On beat 1. But we can move it around. D flat 7. I'm trying to put this right on beat 1. Now we're on D minor. Okay, so this is all about putting it on beat 1 for the moment, which is a fine thing to do to get control of the pitch. And then continuing to stay aware of where you are in the meter, moving it around, and be methodical initially. Let's use one, beat 2, 1. Notice I played it on the downbeat once or twice, in its original location once or twice, and then I start moving it around. So methodically, 2, 3, 4. Now beat 2, 1. Now beat 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Then beat 4, right? Putting it on every beat possible. We're coming up on D flat 7. Let's do that again. On beat 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Right, and I just switched the last note up a half step to stay consonant. Although that's a fine pitch that Freddie uses on the D minor, giving it a little bluesy situation. All right, does this make sense? I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more. Top of the form. Slipping around, not because whatever, it doesn't matter what, it's just fun. That's one of my favorite things to do, is to just suddenly start putting it in a loop that's 3 beats long. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Right? Like I'm in 3/4 time, but of course I'm not. And then you can start, hovering on pitches and playing in and around these exercises with some filler fun, should you feel or hear any such thing. Cool? Cool. All right, joshuadavis.org is where I intend to house a bunch of these videos as we make our way through virus crisis and have more online learning than most of us would prefer. But we'll get through this. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care.